Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you so much for joining me for Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, day 14. Welcome back. So if you were with me yesterday, we received this thread conditioner. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is made by a company called Grandma Sells Seals. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. House.com. They have a Etsy shop and they have a website and all that wonderful stuff. So I will link that below. This looks like really great stuff. I couldn't find this exact item, as always, but I did find some similar items on Etsy. They run anywhere from like $3.99 to $15. So I'm gonna say around $7 for this because it is a really cute product, being shaped like a spool and all that wonderful stuff. So that's what I'm gonna say this is. And with that $7 evaluation, that means we are at $184. So we are $4 in the good for this box, and we still have 11 days to go. That's really good. I'm thrilled with that, and I love this little product. I haven't used it yet, but I have it right here. I'm going to. Okay, so let's see what today is. I have no idea. No idea. I'm gonna open it. Oh, this one's sealed too. Oh, I know some people guess this, like as some sort of case. Okay, so it is a zipper case. It's very pretty. And then we got some fingernail art stickers. Oh, this is kind of cute. These are all like sewing items. I don't know that I put them on my fingernails, but they are cute. I wonder if we can put them on other things. Super cute. Not my favorite, but that's okay. But this is nice. Let's open it and look inside. Okay. Well, this is nice. Very nice. We'll take that out so the dog doesn't get it. Throw it right away. Oh my goodness, this is really cute. I love this. This is great for rotary cutters if you're going to a class or something because it's got a lot of room in there. It's stiff and, you know, things won't cut through it necessarily. It's also just a really pretty case. I love this. Definitely we use this. That's awesome. Awesome. All right, so moving on to Quiltmas, there's still time to register to win one of these wonderful quilts. I have all the links below to the channels, and I also have the form linked below. Make sure you have all your secret words ready, and I hope you win. Can't wait to find out who does win. All right, I'm going to take a sneak peek at tomorrow's gift. So if you don't want to see, you want to turn it off now. Okay. Tomorrow, day 16. It makes noise. Put it to the microphone. It's hard plastic. Well, not too hard. It is a little squishy. Almost makes me think it's like a sewing kit. I have no idea what this is. I don't know. Join me tomorrow to find out. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew. And if you're here in the United States, in the track of this terrible storm we're getting, I hope you're safe, warm, cozy, and sitting watching from a window with some hot chocolate or something wonderful like that. I will see you soon. Bye.